Okay, so we're going to do a little sign for a friend of mine. So what we're using is the bamboo cutting board, $7.40 at Walmart. So I have a 1/2 inch V bit. It's going to do the first section of letters. It's only going to cut 20 thou deep, and then if I want the letters a little wider, I can just rerun the pass with a Z-axis tool offset. Spindle will be running 15,000 RPM. I think 40 inches a minute travel speed. I've already centered the part dead centered. There's double stick tape on the back of this to try to keep some bow out of it, and which there was bow anyway. So I got front and back clamps all down the side, not really cranked down really hard, but just snug. So we should be able to hit cycle start and watch it work. Now I'm going to run a shot back so there'll be even more noise, but it should keep it a lot cleaner during the cut. So I'm going to try to come in from the side here so that I'm not in the middle of the cut. light down on the ends here. So I probably want to rerun the program. I don't know if the wood's off. The table is trimmed perfect. So I'm going to take this clamp loose and rerun it. I'm not going to make you watch through that, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so I reran the pass with the same bit, 10 thou deeper. So that would have been a total of 40 thou deep. And I took this clamp off, which let this bow up a little bit. And I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll have a video later on showing how to get this single line font with Fusion 360. Use Inkscape and use the Hershey text render, and to render your text with that. And that's how I done this. But video on that later. So anyhow, if you like what you see, then subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so that you can be notified when I upload more content. And please like and share this video to your friends that you think would be interested in this. Thanks for watching.